Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Sound Equalizer of your JBL Live 460 headphones. First, select them from the JBL headphones application, then scroll down a little bit and click on this arrow. Right now, to power on equalizer, click right here. As you can see, we can find 5 different presets. If you want to create your own, you have to click on the plus, then set it up to your own preferences. When you click in this place, you can give it custom name. Click save. And right now it appears next to the default presets. If you want to remove custom preset, just go for it and click on this icon. Then tap remove. And you can also turn it off. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.